So this is my Screencast-O-Matic recording for an assignment on calendar sharing and OneDrive calendars. I started it out by with some confusion about whether I should be using Outlook, which has OneDrive sharing capabilities, or if I should try something else. So I tried downloading a really simple program called just OneDrive. One Calendar, I believe it's called. I had great difficulty with this in sharing, so I went back to um, Outlook, and in this, I was able to. I can show you how I can add an event. For this, I just went to my calendar, and it's as simple as clicking on the date and the rough time, 12 o'clock. I'll just put MATLAB in here again. You just simply type in MATLAB 12 o'clock till probably 2, and location, North Idaho College, and then save and close, and there it is, shown there. And these are previous entries I made. Those are events. Basically, I can show different calendars. I can go to month, I can go to week, work week, daily. I can change views. I can preview things. I can go to a list. I can hide views sort of by going to people. And those are contacts. And then I can go back to camp calendar, my calendar. Change the calendar settings and colors. View, color. I changed the color there somehow. Changed it to olive, green. Try blue. Try red, orange. You can view settings here, and you can change some of those aspects of your view. Now for share calendars, okay, yeah, go back to folder. This is how you add a calendar, and I already did it here. I added Boss Calendar, and I basically I'll go back to the view on Boss Calendar, go to the work week, and here are the appointments that my boss has. There's 4 of them. I'll add another one for Friday at 3 p.m. And this is for Karen Baxter, Assistant Vice President of Marketing, Western Region. I'll schedule that for 3 to 4. And save and close that. And then, as you see, there's that appointment, and there's previous appointments on previous days that were scheduled for the boss. And then you go to folder and you can share the calendar, and I did that by selecting here and here, and I've already shared my calendar with the boss's calendar, but now I'll share the boss's calendar back. And as you can see, if I go back to the view, work week, as you can see, my calendar, if I go back to my calendar, I'll share that with the boss's calendar. And I'll look at the boss's calendar. I had it working earlier. Anyway, I'll see if I can get back to that. I have shared calendars right here. Kind of slow. And if I go back to the boss's calendar, there it was. Yeah, so if I go to the boss's calendar, the boss can see what I've got going on, and I can do the same with the boss's calendar. I'm sure of it. Yep, it's there, even though I'm on my calendar now. It shows all the boss's stuff right there. And then you can add holidays down here. You can add birthdays. And there's a lot of other features. Anyway, that's all I have for here. And thank you.